Hi dears, how are you all? Stay at home and stay safe. Today we are going to see about workbook activity, chapter 2, festival time. Refer the page number 18. Turn the next page 6. Identify the festival and write two things that we do on this festival. Look at the picture children. What festival they are celebrating? Diwali. So write the name of the festival here. About Diwali we have to write the two lines here. Diwali. We burn. B-U-R-N burn. Firecrackers. F-I-R-E fire. C-R-A-C-K-E-R-S. Firecrackers. This is a A. Then B. We exchange sweets and gifts with our friends. We exchange sweets and gifts with our friends. 7. Answer the following questions. A. Name the festival that you like the most. Which festival did you like? Write the name of the festival here. B. Write any two things that you do on this festival. On this festival, what did you do? Write the two lines here. C. Name the three national festivals of India. Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. And Republic Day. Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day and Republic Day. Next page 8. It is Eid. Ali wants to hug his brother Naeem on the other side of the mosque. Help him reach his brother so that he can wish him Eid Mubarak. Ali Naeem. Then Ali don't know the way, so you have to find the way and draw a line to Nazim so that he reach his brother and wish him. In the next page, 9. Sort the following sentences and write them in front of the festivals they belong to. Republic Day, Independence Day. Republic Day, what we do? We have a parade at Rajpath. Our nation got its own laws on this day. Bravery awards are given by the President of India on this day. Republic Day. A. We have a parade at Rajpath. A. We have a PARADE parade OF of Rajpath RAJPATH Rajpath. Next, our nation got its own laws on his day. C. Our nation got its own laws on this day. Next, E. Bravery awards are given by the President of India on this day. Don't have a space, so I'm start from here. E. Bravery awards are given by the President of India on this day. Bravery awards are given by the President of India on this day. Independence Day. Our national flag is hoisted at the Red Fort. So we write here. B. R. National FLAG flag is hoisted at the Red Fort. Our national flag is hoisted at the Red Fort. India got independence from British rule. D. India got independence from British rule. India got independence from British rule. Did you enjoy this class, children? We will see you in the next class. Thank you.